If you are doing long-term requirements planning in Business Central, I would suggest you to use the planned production orders like this to create demand for your purchasers. Often we see that the master planners and detail planners in the production department don't use the planned production orders because they get deleted again when you run the MRP. So having a list of planned production orders like this, it's possible for me as a purchaser to define demands or break down demands in the future. And if I go into a planned production order line like this, I can see, of course, the component, and that's how it's broken down by the MRP batch job. So this way it's possible for me to actually maintain requirements far ahead that doesn't do anything into my normal production department. So this planned purchase orders should be like a thing for the purchasers. This means now when I create my MRP planning, I could plan in an interval with a starting date far ahead and an ending date, or starting date on the other side of my firm plan and release production orders, and the ending date as far away as my furthest lead time for purchased items, and then a filter on purchase because I already have all the planned orders. So this will create suggestions to purchase lines that I need to require from a long-term perspective. And I could filter on vendors and carry out one at a time, or handling all those by vendors to see if it makes sense like it is here. So if I find the vendor number or add the column and then filter on that, I could make one purchase order at a time and make a frame agreement with that vendor.